Time passes so slow on the rock in the middle of the river. Fish swim by, I don't even say hi, 'cause I'm just looking